So we just left from the home harbor of ours, and there's some thunderstorms again on the forecast for the weekend, and there's one just behind us. We can hear it, but it's still quite far away, and I think that we have enough time to get to the other side of the lake before it hits here, so we should be safe. It feels a bit like it's calm before the storm, and it is. So it seems like we just barely avoided the first one. We got over the lake area, and now we came here into the Varkantaipale, just came through it, and now we have some calm, safe waters for the next few meters at least, and the thunder quite rarely comes over the lake, so it seems like we are safe here. There is quite a lot of this hanging around these days, you know, the thunderstorms, but again, it's on the other side of the lake, and we are on an island, so let's see, can it get through the yövesi over here, or does it stop and go around? We'll see. But it's a handsome cloud, very handsome cloud. And there's a rain shower going on that area. It is not a big wonder that the thunders are so frequent right now, because it has been extremely long period of very warm weathers, and always when these weathers turn into colder ones, it means that there's some thunderstorms running around, and they slowly cool the weather down. But they sure are pretty. And we didn't get hit by thunderstorms, and Mia went to swimming. So it is first days of August and it's already getting a bit darker in the night time. It's almost midnight right now, and at least the camera is having a hard time focusing because it is a lot darker than it seems in the camera. God damn it. Manual focus. Like that. But it sure is pretty over here. The weather forecast said that there might be some thunderstorms in the morning, and I just saw a lightning. Did I disable the stabilizer but not the focus? Let's do it other way. Okay, now it does what it is supposed to. Just saw lightning over there, but I don't think that it'll come over here, but I'm gonna point the camera over there and hopefully you will see one also. Pay attention over there. Well, there was one. Maybe another one right there. And over there it's raining quite hard because you can't make the difference between the cloud and the sky under it. Today seems like yesterday, sunny day, but occasional thunderstorms and showers running over there somewhere. Luckily, again, seems like we are escaping them because we are here on water and they don't usually come over these big waters. But yeah, we're changing the spot again. We are heading to the same place where Väinö is, so we are going to hang out with them for today. Boat going on over there, and yeah, maybe some blueberry picking and fishing today. We'll see. Kantaipale again. And when this trip is done, it's also the end of our summer vacation. So this is last ride for that, and then there's some weekend trips still coming for this season. And yeah, that's it for this episode. And